This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into the OneDrive mobile app with the account you plan to use. This links your files. Once signed in, grant camera and storage permissions so automatic uploads and file saves work smoothly. Make sure to enable camera uploads or files on demand if you want offline access or selective sync. These settings control bandwidth and storage use, so choose Wi-Fi only for large uploads if you have a limited plan. Now proceed to organize folders and connect device folders. You now upload and organize. Tap the plus button, pick Upload to add files or Scan to capture documents, select multiple items to save time. Once uploaded, create folders and use Move to relocate files. This keeps your cloud tidy and speeds future searches. Turn on Files on Demand to save local space while still seeing cloud placeholders, and set photo upload quality to high or standard depending on storage limits. Once this is set, your library syncs across devices automatically. You finish by sharing and ensuring access. To share, select a file, tap Share, then choose link type and permissions, view or edit, and set an expiration if needed. For crucial items, toggle Keep Offline so they are available without a connection. If sync stalls, force a sync by pulling down the folder list, confirm app permissions in device settings, free local storage, and, as a last resort, sign out and reinstall the app. This sequence resolves most common issues and restores normal syncing fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.